I'm going to show you why this New York-based futures company has prop firm traders talking. Right now, we're talking about 50K challenge accounts starting at $41 all in. We're talking about instant funded options with a 90-10 profit split. We're talking about all kinds of legitimately just insane pricing options that are going on right now. And I'm going to break down everything that you need to know. What's up, traders? Robert here. Listen, this is going to be a full YRM prop firm review. This firm launched back in June of 2025, and some of my subscribers have been asking me to do a review about this, and I had to do a little bit of research on this company first before I just put it out there. We've got, we're going to put them into my yellow category on the prop firm comparison sheet. You can find that down in the description if you want to see that later. So they're relatively new, but here's what caught my attention is like the pricing is absolutely crazy. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to tell you who I think this prop firm really is for. So I've done a bit of research on this. You know, I've talked to some of the traders that are trading with them. I've talked to their support and gotten some of my questions answered, right? I reviewed the Trustpilot ratings, and I want to give you a complete breakdown here. So before we dive in, if you decide to go with this prop firm, my link is in the description. And if you use my code RTF at checkout, I negotiated with them to get us an additional discount exclusive to my subscribers. Right now, it's going to be 10%. And if the holidays are over and their current promotion is no longer running, it's still going to get you 5% additional off to whatever they're running, plus 50% off their instant funded. So it's an awesome deal no matter what. Make sure you use the code because it's going to give you an additional discount to whatever they have on the website. And that's important. So let's go ahead and dive right in here. I want to move over to, okay, so these prices, I did this before the sale started running. I recorded this video. So the prices that you're seeing right here on the website are not correct. They're going to be a little bit cheaper than this. And the coupon codes also are going to be different. So you have this 47 over here on the 50K account. This is actually going to be 41. Then for the 100K account, we're talking with the discount now. If you use my code, we're talking 86. And then for over here, the 150K, it's 131. And you have to use my code RTF to get this price on any of these, so that's not 0% off. These are the holiday prices right here. What I also want to show you with this is if we jump over here to the next part, which is we have the instant prime, which are the instant funded accounts. The same thing here. This is incorrect. These are actually going to be, all these coupons here are going to be 50% off with my coupon code. So the 40% is wrong. And then we have the, with my code RTF, you get 50% off. Okay. Now, the reason that this is important is because the pricing that you're getting here is just absolutely, it's insane, really. No activation fees. We're talking about no monthly fees. It's a one-time payment on either one. If you use for the starter evaluation accounts, it's a one-time payment. And then over here into the instant prime, it's also just a one-time payment. You pay your fee. This is a monthly fee in the evaluation account, but once you pass, there's no activation fee, there's nothing. So once you pass this account, that's it. So it's a one-time fee in the sense that if you can pass within your first month on the evaluation, you're only going to pay once. And then for the instant prime, you're only going to pay one time. You're just going to pay once for it, and that's it. And you're instantly funded. And the thing about these instant prime accounts, we're going to get into this too in a second, is that there's no payout buffer, really. There's really no payout buffer. You do have to meet a minimum trading day requirement in order to get a payout, but you can leave $100 in the account. The payout buffer, like the withdrawal amount, is so small that these instant funded accounts are really, they're pretty awesome. You can get, if you have a profitable strategy and you're consistent with this, you can do exceptionally well because of the way that they're priced right now at the 50% off. Let's talk about their payout structure. And this is the thing that really is pretty interesting about this particular prop firm. Let's talk about this payout eligibility requirements, and this is what makes them a little bit different than other prop firms, and I want to show you this so that you can see it. It's really pretty great, you know. And I was on the I got on support and I asked them some questions because I wanted to find out what was going on with this, because it seemed like, you know, is this too good to be true? Is this just too cheap? And the truth is that they were very responsive. They answered all my questions. Those are like great things because I've been doing this for a while and I've talked to a lot of prop firms. There's prop firms right now that I'm not promoting because they won't answer my emails. If I send an email into support and they don't answer my questions, I'm not going to recommend them to you guys. These people are answering questions. They're in their Discord, they're active, and they're involved in what's going on in the community, and they're trying to address problems as they have them and clarify things that need to be clarified for people and answer their questions to give them the support that they need. That is critical. If a prop firm is not doing that, they do not make it to my list. I will not promote them. And there's several that are like that. They just don't answer questions. They just don't respond and write back. That's crazy. What kind of business are you running when you have people who need help with something and you don't answer their questions or try to help them? So in any case, all that being said, let's jump into what the payout eligibility requirements are here for the YRM Prop Firm. They're the same. They're basically the same for both the evaluation pass, which is the starter primes, and then also for the instant funding, which is the instant prime, the one where you just pay a fee and you don't have to do your evaluation anymore, right? So here's your minimum trading days. You need 10 trading days, which are required. And this is basically, you have to make over $150 for it to count as a positive trading day. The trading days do not need to be consecutive. That's a question that people ask a lot. They do not need to be consecutive. The trading day requirement resets after each payout. So each time that you take a payout, the number goes back to 0 and you have to do 10 trading days again of $150. The consistency requirements, now this is another part that's important. We've got our instant prime accounts, which have a 20% consistency rule in the instant accounts. And then it's a 35% for the regular prime. And it's 50% for the starter for the challenges. So for the test part, the evaluation phase, you have a 50% rule, which means it's a 2-day pass, 2 to 3 day pass. And then for the prime accounts, if you pass and then you go into your funded prime account, you're going to have a 35% consistency rule on that evaluation path. Now for the instant prime accounts, ones that you pay for up front, it's a little bit smaller. It's a 20% consistency rule. So that part's going to be a little bit more tight, but it's totally doable. And the fact that you only need to make these $150 days and there's no actual profit target for the payouts, there's no profit target for the payouts. It's incredible. All you have to do is make $150 a day for the 10 days, and then you can withdraw, and you can withdraw all the way up to and leave $100 in the account if you want. Now, I don't recommend doing that. Obviously, you're going to blow up your account if you take all the money out and you don't leave yourself any room to work with. But the point is that you could do that, meaning you can get payouts with these accounts quickly, which is great because a lot of companies, they don't let you do that. They want you to hit a profit target. You pass your test, hit a profit target, and then you can withdraw, but you can't withdraw back into the buffer. There's always rules around that stuff. That's why I make these videos to clarify some of those things. So after you meet your consistency requirement and you have your 10-day minimum of $150, and that's $150 across all the account sizes. It's like, that's what is really interesting about this. And the reason that I'm leaning more towards these bigger accounts with the instant funding is because it's the same payout requirement regardless of the size of the account. That's really, really interesting because that means that I can get one of these bigger accounts that has a big drawdown, and I'll be able to still be able to withdraw without having to make some crazy profit goal of 9,000, 10, 15,000, all these crazy numbers that are really hard to hit when you could actually just hit, like $2,000 and I'm taking money out. That's amazing. So in any case, okay, so then you need to do your KYC, which is usually through Rise, which is pretty much an industry standard. Most companies do this way. We're completing our Know Yourself KYC verification via Rise. And what else do we have? We have the progressive payout caps. You have to make sure that your account's in good standing. You haven't done broken any of the rules, basically, you haven't hit your max loss limit, really. You do your KYC through Rise, and then we do have some cap limits based on the size of the account as to how big the payouts can get. They go through a 4 payout cycle before they move to live. The 50K account, we have the $1,500, $2,000, $2,500, $4,000. So this particular path here with the 5,000, after the 4th payout, you then get considered to move to live. But with the 150K accounts, the same thing for the instant prime. The 150K accounts, the payout caps are a lot bigger. You can get 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 6,000, meaning that you can get yourself up to like $15,000 per 150K account. Now, with these accounts, they are only 3 funded accounts is what they are allowing people to trade. You can have unlimited evaluations, but you can only have 3 of the funded accounts. So that would be my recommendation with this would be starting with 1 and then scaling up to 2 or 3. But the fact that you can get paid out and that there's only $100 in the buffer requirement, this is amazing. Super amazing. So let's go back over here, jump real quick to the starters, and we're going to take a look real quick here to see what some of the different requirements are to pass some of these accounts. And remember, these numbers here, these prices are not current. The price for the sale is much lower right now with the 10% discount. So the profit target for the 50K is 3,000, the 100K is 6,000, and the 150K is 9,000. And then the drawdowns is pretty much the same as across all the industry. So for the 50K, you have a $2,000 trailing max drawdown, and that's an end of day drawdown. So another important thing is all their accounts are end of day drawdowns. They're $3,000 for the 100K, $4,500 for the 150K. And so basically, if we look at these in terms of a ratio, you've got a $2,000 trailing drawdown to a $3,000 profit target. This is 1 to 1.5. You've got 3,000 to 6,000. This is 1 to 2. 4,500 to 9,000. This is also 1 to 2. But remember, if you were to do the evaluation and hit this $9,000 profit target, then for the next step, once you go into the prime account and now you're funded, for your next step to go for a payout, you don't have to hit 9,000 again. You don't. You can just meet the minimum requirements, which is $150 per day for 10 days, and then go ahead. There's like a $500 minimum withdrawal. It's not a lot. And you're able to withdraw money like right away. You don't have to go all the way back to 9,000 again. This is huge. This is a really, really big deal, especially with the instant funded accounts, because there's no test. See, the difference with these evaluation accounts, and I've touched on this in other videos and talked to people about it, is that when you do your evaluation, let's say you have a $3,000 profit target on the 50K. So now I have to make $3,000, and then I pay my activation fee, and now I'm in a funded account, and then I have to make another $3,000, and then I have to make more than that so that I don't draw back down into my buffer, depending on the rules of whatever prop firm you're at. It makes it so that, like, technically I have a $2,000 trailing end of day drawdown, and I need to make like $6 to $8 grand before I can even take out a little bit of money. So I got $2,000 worth of risk to make like 4 times that amount. That's hard. It's really hard to do that. But if I'm in an instant funded account where they're letting me take withdrawals basically right away, that's a whole different ballgame, because now I've taken out all of that time, because the time is what works against us as the traders, especially if we're not really profitable. If we're profitable and we have a system, we have really good discipline, and we're strong about, the way that we manage our risk and everything, then fine. That's okay. Most of us aren't, and the prop firm knows that. So what they want to do is make it farther and farther and farther away to the payout cycle. With this particular prop firm, though, especially with these instant funded accounts, you can go directly there and start working on getting paid right away. And you don't have to go to some outlandish, outrageous number with $2,000 worth of drawdown, and now I need to make $9 grand in order to get a withdrawal. That's crazy. We're talking about, being able to take withdrawals almost right away, which really does put us in an advantage situation. It really does put us in a position that's good. In the evaluation accounts, back to these evaluation accounts, after you pass, you go from your 50% consistency rule in the challenge phase, and then you jump up into a 35% rule for the consistency rule if you go through the prime accounts through the evaluation path, which is one of the nice things. If you do actually take the longer path, you do get a bigger consistency rule target, which is good. The profit split at this company is 90-10, regardless, whether it's instant prime or it's the evaluation path. Let's jump back over to the instant prime one and look over here real quick, and we can see the same thing. It is basically, end of day drawdown. We've got the 10-day minimum to the payout, which is the same as the other one too. The 20% consistency rule is smaller. We also have the 90-10 profit split, and there is an additional account. They do a 25K account in these instant accounts as well. After all of this, and I've been looking at all these things, and what I did was I jumped over and I looked at the payout methods, right? I wanted to see what was going on, how they were going to pay. And there you have to do your KYC, your know your customer stuff through Rise. That is mandatory. Then we also have the payout, which are supported through Rise, which are pretty standard. Your ACH bank transfers. We've got international wires, the SEPA. We've got crypto. You can do stuff in Bitcoin, Ethereum. There's the Tether, whatever. You can do all that stuff through Rise. The typical things that you can do through Rise. So basically, you have to go and you do your KYC, or know your customer, which is going to be your ID, your proof of address. So when you register with any prop firm, you need to register with the legal name that you're going to be using to get your withdrawals. Is important because it has to match. Otherwise, they can't do it. So, and then they process and they pay relatively quickly. I was looking at reviews and things of people talking about this, and they pay quickly. Like within 24 hours, typically people have their money. It does say here on the website 1 to 3 days. The minimum payout request is $500, and then the maximum payout is based on that criteria of the payout cap schedule based on the account size. But it's super reasonable. It's super awesome. I mean, it's really pretty good. I really like this a lot. So when we go over to Trustpilot and we look at the reviews and the stuff that they're talking about on here, we can see that they do have a 1-star review and there is a 2-star review. I went and read these, and then I realized, like, I'm not typically like the 1-star review. A lot of times in places are people that they've had some kind of like horrible experience with something, but like even this one, you know, it's a 1-star review that the guy apparently changed it. He said they are really trying. I love them. They're trying. I love them. I should try to be considerate in the timing. I'm not sure exactly what that means. I guess maybe he was hoping something would happen faster. But the vast majority of these reviews are all 5-star reviews, and they all kind of say the same thing. And I'm sure that you might have this concern too when you're thinking about it. Is this company going to be paying people because the prices are so low? Is it too good to be true? And my personal experience is I do not think that it's too good to be true. They have great reviews. Their Discord is active with people from the CEO himself. There's people in there answering questions and helping people out, and people are getting paid. And that's primarily what we're really looking for, or whether or not people are getting paid. Let's talk about who should consider the YRM prop firm. Okay, I believe the YRM prop firm is perfect for consistent day traders who can make $150 a day. I also think it's for people who are frustrated with high valuation fees at other firms. You know, they're expensive in other places. So we want people who want to scale without breaking the bank. And then futures traders who are focused on ES, NQ, and then the other major contracts. And those comfortable with a 10-day minimum payout cycle. Then the other thing is, who is it not ideal for? Well, it's not ideal for complete beginners. And it's not ideal for traders who need TradingView or Ninja integration, because they trade through the DX feed. It's Volumetrica. There's also another one too. There's Quant Tower. There's Addis. There's some of the standard stuff, but it goes through the DX feed. It's not through Rhythmic. It's not through CQG. This is a different data feed. So you have to go and look to make sure that your platform is supported. But the stuff that's coming back from the Volumetrica stuff is coming back good. People have good things to say about Volumetrica, and it's pretty clean. I did some looking at it just to see, you know, to make sure, is this just another TradingView knockoff or what? And it's not. It's its own thing. And the execution, people say the execution is fast, minimal slippage. Those are things that are important, because if you've ever traded with Rhythmic or some of the other platforms, it can get pretty dicey and pretty crazy. So it's also not ideal for swing traders. You can't hold positions overnight or anything. This is for day trading only. And anyone who is uncomfortable with a prop firm that's building a track record, that's important, because if you're not comfortable with the fact that they're brand new, then don't trade with them yet, you know, and that's fine. It's totally understandable. So right now, the Happy Holiday sale for the Mega 2025 sale right now, they've got this going on. They're giving away over $5 million in evaluation accounts. You can get that through their Discord. We also have December 23rd through the 31st. If you use my code RTF for the 50K challenge, we're talking about $41 all in, no activation fee, $86 for the 100K, and $131 for the 150K. Also, it's 50% off any of the Instant Prime. In the Instant Prime, there's no activation fees or anything like that. It's just a one-time fee that you pay. My personal recommendation, I don't normally recommend this way, but I believe because of the fact that the payout caps are small and the buffer is small and you can get paid right away with the instant funding, I think the 150K instant funding account is the right one. It's like $400 for $4,500 worth of drawdown, you know, and that's amazing. That's a great deal. Plus, you only have to make a small amount of money to get paid. You don't have to make an exorbitant amount before your payouts come. You can make a small amount of money, a couple grand, and you can start taking withdrawals right away in that 150K account. And that's important. So if you guys, listen, also, if anything with this changes, I will let you know. So that's why it's important that you're subscribed. It's important that you hit the bell so that you have notifications. Also, jump in our Discord. In our Discord, you can communicate with me directly. I'm in there all the time talking about things that are going on in the industry, doing new promotions, but also talking about things that are sometimes going wrong. If things are happening, if they, for some reason, stop paying people, you're going to know about that right away if you get in the Discord. So also, let me know, what accounts do you guys want to go with on this? Drop a comment down below. Let me know, are you going to do instant funded, or would you rather do the evaluation? I'd love to know what you guys think about this. And I'm going to go ahead and leave another video up here, hopefully that will help you in your journey of picking a prop firm, to help you get the right prop firm, get the right thing going on for you and whatever your specific needs are. So I will see you guys on the next one.